Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Journals is probably one of the most wonderful gifts you can give to a young girl. It's a fantastic way for her to explore her thoughts, feelings, and dreams. In this video, we're diving into the world of kids' journals, exploring what makes them special and helping you find the perfect one for the little girl in your life. Let's discover the magic of journaling together. Number 5. PAPERAGE Blush Line Journal. This journal features a durable and water-resistant cover. It includes 160 college-ruled pages, an inner expandable pocket, sticker labels, a ribbon bookmark, and an elastic closure band. It's designed for everyday use. Made with high-quality, acid-free paper in a light ivory color, this paper is thicker than average. You can confidently use most pens and markers without any issues. It's perfect for any writing style. The thread-bound notebook lays flat, making it easier to write for both right and left-handed users. This design enhances the writing experience, making it comfortable for everyone. It includes an expandable inner storage pocket to store cards, notes, and receipts. You can also personalize the cover with the included sticker labels. This feature adds extra convenience. Ideal for journaling, note-taking, planning, or creative writing. Whether you're making a to-do list or writing notes, it's a perfect notebook for school, work, or home. It is a great choice for all your needs. This journal comes in a variety of beautiful and fun colors. It is available in lined, blank, dotted, and grid page styles. Choose the one that best fits your needs. What we like. This journal features thick, premium paper, perfect for preventing ink bleed through. Its lay-flat design makes writing easy for both right and left-handed users. If you are looking for a journal that combines functionality with a touch of elegance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These are great journals, they're excellent quality, the color selection is wonderful, and the paper feels so smooth and rich. I love this notebook. It fits in most of my purses, and I think the quality is really nice for the price. It really does actually lay flat, which makes it so nice to write in. This is a great size journal for travel. The paper is quality and smooth. I was worried that the smooth paper might cause pen ink to smear, but it doesn't at all. No problems with smeared ink or bleed through since the paper is high quality and the perfect thickness. Number 4. Paper Junkie A6 Mini Notebooks, 12-pack. These mini notebooks are perfectly sized for on-the-go use. They are lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry them around. It's great for travel journals or quick notes. Each notebook features college-ruled pages, providing structure for your writing. The lines help keep your notes neat and organized. It's ideal for both kids and teens. With a pack of 12 notebooks, you'll have plenty to go around. They are great for party favors or to share with friends. This ensures you always have one on hand. The notebooks come with a classic brown craft cover. This gives it a simple and natural look. It's a great choice for any occasion. Measuring 4 by 5.75 inches, they are the perfect size. They fit easily into a bag or pocket. It is a great companion for everyday use. What we like. These mini notebooks are portable and lightweight, making them ideal for on-the-go journaling. They come in a bulk pack, perfect for sharing or stocking up. If you need a simple, easy-to-carry journal for quick notes or travel, consider this. What people say. The notebooks are a smaller size but nicely done and perfect for the purpose I had in mind. They even have pre-punched holes so that brads, ribbon, or string can be used to attach them to the inside of a folder-style cover. They're really cute with a positive message. Number 3. Hapinest DIY Journal Set for Girls. This complete DIY journal kit is perfect for young creators. It includes everything needed to personalize a journal and explore their creativity. It's a great way to express themselves. Designed for teens and tweens, this kit encourages self-expression. They can create unique scrapbook pages with all the included accessories. It's one of the best gifts for girls. Surprise your child with this fun and functional journal set. It's an ideal birthday gift or a creative outlet. It enhances their journaling and scrapbooking skills. Each DIY journal kit comes with 63 pieces, including a tassel charm. They can fully enjoy creating and personalizing their scrapbook and diary. They won't miss any parts. The journaling kit is packaged securely and attractively. It ensures a delightful unboxing experience. It's a perfect gift idea for teenagers and girls. What we like. This kit comes with everything needed for a personalized journaling experience. It is designed to foster creativity and self-expression. If you are looking for a gift that encourages artistic expression and fun, this is a great option. What people say. The journal has a lock and key, which is great for keeping secrets. The journal is very cute and has a lot of pages. It's a great gift for girls who like to write and draw. Number 2. GINMLYDA Unicorn Diary with Lock for Girls. This diary is perfectly sized for kids to carry around easily. It's got 160 lined pages, providing plenty of space for daily writing and drawing. The front cover features a unique unicorn design with a window of golden, shakeable sequins. The crystal glitter effect makes it come to life. Each diary comes with a lock and 2 keys, ensuring personal privacy. This allows children to safely record their thoughts and dreams. This journal is a great gift for kids aged 6 to 12. It encourages vocabulary development and helps them record their memories. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or just because. We stand behind our products. If you're not happy with it, you can return it for a full refund. Our customer service is available 24/7. What we like. The diary features a unique unicorn design with a lock and key for privacy. It offers 160 lined pages for daily writing and drawing. If you want a secure and stylish journal to record thoughts and dreams, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The sturdy hardcover and lined pages make it great for journaling, doodling, or writing down thoughts. The lock and key add a fun touch, giving kids a sense of privacy for their personal notes. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it a wonderful gift for birthdays or special occasions. Number 1. Cat Diary for Girls with Lock and Keys. This plush cat journal is made of comfortable material and thick paper. It comes with a beautiful diary, a bracelet, a coin purse, pens, and stickers. It's a perfect place to write and draw. This diary is extra fun with colorful pens and stickers. Your girl will love the coin purse and bracelet. She can write down her thoughts and memories in this cat notebook. This fluffy cat journal is a secret place. No one can get inside but her. It's great for prayers, gratitude, or daily journaling. The notebook is A5 size with 80 lined sheets. It's easy to carry around. We encourage kids to express themselves through writing. This fuzzy locking journal is a great gift for girls. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. Give the gift of writing and creativity. What we like. This journal has a soft, plush cat cover and comes with fun accessories. It's designed as a secret diary to keep personal thoughts safe. If you like a cute and cuddly journal with extra goodies, this is the one for you. What people say. It's good quality, looks great, is super soft, and she was super excited about all the accessories that came with it. The journal itself is great quality and delightful for little girls. It is so cute and comes in a cute package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.